Italy has something for every kind of traveler, from the sparkling waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea to the idyllic Italian Alps and everything in between. Italy is a wonderful nation, overflowing with history, extraordinary food and incredible wine. The adventures this country has to offer will enchant foodies, adventurers, and art or history enthusiasts alike. We have you covered when it comes to the best places to visit in Italy, no matter why you travel. Number 10. Venice. How should I begin with La Serenissima? Even if you are not visiting during the Biennale or Carnival, this city radiates positivity year-round.It has beaches, some of the best art in the world, and we don't know if you've heard about the excellent food there. Avoiding the touristy gondola rides and wandering aimlessly through the enticing backstreets is the best way to get lost in Venice, obviously, with regular stops for sacchetti and prosecco. Number 9. Florence. There are, without a doubt, the Duomo, Michelangelo's David, the Uffizi, and the Ponte Vecchio in Florence, but there is so much more to this city than just the main attractions that draw tourists. For instance, there are quaint museums that will give you the creeps, numerous vintage shops and second-hand stores, delicious gelato that will have you mumbling benissimo, and parks that rarely feel crowded. All day, under your breath. There is no Renaissance theme park in Florence. It is a vibrant city that has a lot to offer visitors of all tastes. Number 8. Trieste. This port city was once referred to as the capital of nowhere by author Jan Morris. You'll understand what she meant when you get here. Trieste has been occupied by the Habsburgs, the French, the Italians, and the Yugoslavs for the past 200 years. It was once an independent city-state. Again, it could be Italian, but you wouldn't know. The architecture is very much like the Grand Budapest Hotel, and the menu has a lot of different things, like gnocchi al goulash. Traditional asmiza will lay on fresh farm produce for walkers en route to Slovenia, which is only 7 miles away. The best part is that there aren't any other tourists around. Number 7. Rome. Rome is a must-see destination for history buffs because it has world-class art collections and a ton of history on every street corner. Even though you might come to see all of the ruins, it's also worth a trip if you like cutting-edge food and drink, or just a really good slice of pizza. To be honest, It will become far too simple to fall in love with the Italian capital when you add the allure of its numerous verdant parks, which feature stunning panoramic terraces and a moderate climate that is welcoming throughout the year. Number 6. Naples. Naples, once a rogue and dangerous Italian city to avoid, is currently undergoing a significant revival. It is charming, disorganized, and run-down. Travelers who previously would have avoided this rough-hewn city are now flocking here in droves as a result of the international TV adaptations of Roberto Saviano's crime saga, Gomorrah, and Elena Ferrante's Neapolitan novels, which brought the city back onto the map. However, a lot of its character and old-world charm have not been lost. Back alleys are lined with laundry, markets are overflowing with fragrant local goods, and people live here on the streets. Number 5. Bologna. Bologna may be one of Europe's most underrated city breaks, renowned for its scorching summers, radical left-wing politics, picturesque terracotta buildings, and all that food, glorious food. In point of fact, the food here alone would be reason enough to visit. After all, mortadella, tortellini, and tagliatelle al ragu are all made in Emilia-Romagna's capital. Make the pilgrimage to the sanctuary of the Madonna di San Luca, which is just outside the old city walls, for dessert. Number 4. Milan. In recent years, Italy's business capital has seen a surge in tourism as a result of a rapidly expanding transportation network and a slew of brand new buildings designed by prominent architects. The city has recently experienced a renaissance, and it's more than just a great place to buy new shoes, cool places to eat, cool cultural centers, and so forth. Given that Renaissance artist Leonardo da Vinci was the one who designed Milan's intricate canal system, a portion of the stunning Castello Sforzesco, and, well, just made Milan historically a very artistic and creative place to be, all of that seems rather fitting. Number 3. Sardinia. Sardinia fulfills numerous holiday requirements. The white sands and impossibly aquamarine water surrounding Costa Smeralda and the south coast of the island will make beach lovers swoon. The interior, which appears to have remained unchanged for centuries, could be explored by nature lovers and hikers for days. Additionally, foodies can indulge in some of Italy's finest produce and excessive seafood consumption. No matter what kind of vacation you're looking for, there are plenty of idyllic lodging options available to make your stay truly unforgettable. Number 2. Sicily. Sicily, drenched in the sun, is just off the tip of Italy's boot, an island that is almost like something else and has a personality that is different from the rest of southern Italy. On Ortigia Island, visitors can feast on fresh seafood, sunbathe on the island's numerous beautiful beaches, or pass the time eating granita and cannoli in pretty squares. They can also get lost in the maze-like Baroque towns of Noto, Modica, and Ragusa. The island is littered with magnificent ruins and archaeological sites, many of which date back to ancient Greece. Number 1. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre is a group of 5 seaside towns that are all listed as UNESCO World Heritage Sites together. All of them are stunning and offer stunning views of the sea, but Rio Maggiore is the most picturesque, with its colorful houses arranged in a row on a hillside. You can see a stunning sunset from a staircase above the harbor. You really can't go wrong with any of the villages, even though they all have something unique to offer.